Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
For Bitcoin, we're really hanging in the balance. This week, we saw some crazy moves for some of the alts. Ethereum broke all-time high. Some of the blue chip altcoins near all-time high. And now, all eyes are on Bitcoin to see what it does at this level. Has the rocket ship taken off, or are we going to have to use the last rocket that is in our arsenal before this, as this rocket ship blows up in our faces? So, in order for the bull case to be intact, this line has to hold. We need to form some kind of strong bullish daily candle for the November bull run to be intact. Otherwise, I think we should see consolidation in the first few weeks of November before blast off late November and into December. Now for the bear case, like if we go down to the 4-hour, it looks structurally weak, right? Without a strong bullish engulfing candle coming out in the next 2 hours or so, it looks structurally weak to retest this and then more downside. So we need to consider this in case it happens. So if it moves to the downside, is to leverage, is to really liquidate all these leverage longs that were placed here. Because if they don't, right, if the exchanges don't liquidate them, and crypto ends up blasting off to the upside, and too many people makes money, there's no way that the exchanges can pay these people out, right? So they have to make the right move for their business and then leverage out, check out these leverage long players. So if this happens, we really want 52K to hold. If 52K doesn't hold, I think the bull run is cancelled. Like the 4-year or so halving cycle theory, I think will be kind of invalidated, right? And which I will not be surprised as well. Now with the ETF out and all that, it is a whole new ball game. Institutional money can come in, and when institutional money comes in and Bitcoin pumps, causes it takes a higher weightage on their portfolios, and like the corporate structure will mandate that they restructure the Bitcoin, right? Which means selling and then holding some safer assets. So we will see. This 2 days extremely crucial for Bitcoin, and we hope it ends up kind of in this indecision, right? Don't give us a bearish spin candle for the weekly, and then I think the bouquet should be intact.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.